Fairies, welcome back to my channel. It's Laurasia Andrea. So I'm going to be giving you guys another get ready with me. You guys seem to have loved my last one, which is a good thing because I like filming get ready with me's. On top of that, this one is going to be a full get ready with me. Going to be doing my hair, my makeup, and also showing an outfit. Not so much that I'm really going anywhere today, but I am going to my boyfriend's house, so I guess that is me going somewhere. I'm going to my boyfriend's house, so we're gonna do a nice little daytime date night. He's gonna be cooking me brunch. That's his favorite thing to cook, is breakfast / brunch. On top of that, we're gonna be sitting poolside. He does have a pool at his house, so today is just a really chill, just sit back, we all off of work type of vibe. So I'm about to be getting cute, getting ready, you know what I'm saying, showing off for my man a little bit. So the same thing, I'm gonna first do my hair, show you guys the products as I go, do some finger waves. I haven't done finger waves in years, so if I'm a little rusty, crusty, razzle dazzle, you know what I'm saying, don't come for me because
it's been a minute.
Enough rambling, let's jump into it. My finger waves was clearly a fail. It was a fail. Like my boyfriend, you know what it is, my boyfriend told me that I had to wait for my hair to get a little bit longer, but I was like, no, because the funny thing is, I met my boyfriend when I had short blonde hair, pretty much kind of sort of the same length as this, maybe a little bit longer. So he was like, no, I'm telling you, you need to wait until your hair gets longer because it's not gonna work. I was like, no, I'll be fine. And then clearly okay, so I'm gonna move on to my face. I'm gonna use the Fenty primer, the hydrating primer, and just put this all over my face. Then I'm also gonna use the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. And honestly, I feel like this is like the secret to how I have my makeup stay on my face all day. So this makeup look is going to be very beginner friendly. As far as my eyeshadow, I think I'm only going to use 3 eyeshadows. For my face, it's going to be the basic everyday go-to makeup steps. Anyone will be able to wear this makeup look. I want to do something very light and flirty. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking in my head. So hopefully I can execute it on camera. I'm first going to prime my lid with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in 360. I actually just went to Sephora the other day and picked up another one of those because I definitely was running out, sis. I'm going to be using the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm going to take the shade Ginger right here, and I'm going to take that on a big blending brush and use this as my transition shade. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Pinker, which is this pink right here. And I'm just going to put that in the crease just to slightly darken it a little bit. Now the last shade I'm going to use is going to be this very pretty pink shade right here called Supreme. And I'm going to place this on my lid. Gonna take a little bit more of that shade Pinker just to put on the outer crease. That's it for the eyes. That's all I'm going to do because my outfit is very colorful. My face is already primed, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my foundation. This is Born This Way Too Faced in the shade Spiced Rum. Taking 2 pumps of that, taking my Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. I'm gonna take the Fenty concealer in 360 one more time, and now I'm just going to highlight. And then I'm also gonna take the shade 310 just for a slight added highlight. I'm gonna let that concealer sit and dry a little bit. The longer you let the concealer sit, the more coverage it goes on the skin. So while that's sitting, I'm gonna just take my foundation stick that I'm gonna use to contour. This is from Juvia's Place in the shade Katsina. I'm not gonna legit take it and place it on like how I usually do. Like I said, this is a beginner friendly type of tutorial. I'm gonna take it on a brush, get a little bit of that product, and I'm just going to place that on my cheekbone. Now I'm going to blend out that concealer and take that foundation brush as we blend out the concealer and just push the brush into the skin, and it just effortlessly just blends out any lines of demarcation so it doesn't look like, you know, too harsh on the skin. We're gonna take that Juvia's Place Katsina foundation stick one more time. Gonna take a brush, same thing of how we did with the contour on the cheeks. We're gonna take that on a brush and now just carve out our nose contour. The blending is all done. Now we're going to move on to powdering the face. I'm first going to take this Fenty Beauty powder. This is in the shade Banana, and I'm going to use this powder to just dust lightly wherever I put my highlight. And I like to take it on a big fluffy brush because I feel like it just helps have the powder sit in a little bit better on my skin. Lately, I've been using a loose setting powder for my face instead of using like a MAC mineralized skin finish or anything like that. I don't know. I feel like in summertime, it just feels better on my skin when it's more of a loose consistency. So I'm going to take this Beauty Bakery flour powder. This is in the shade Almond. sometimes when I put on my all over face powder, sometimes my highlight can kind of get lost. So to bring that highlight back, as well as help with flashback, or just help with having my under eye a little bit too bright, I'll take a face powder that is 2 shades lighter than my skin, and I will go over top of the highlighted area. So my favorite is the MAC Studio Fix MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation, and I specifically use the shade NC45. I'm going to be using 2 bronzers today. One as like a natural bronzer, the other as a deeper bronzer, and a little bit more of a color to the skin. I'm first going to take Cocoa Naughty. Both are from Fenty Beauty. And then I'm going to take Mocha Mommy as like a added touch of color. I'm also going to take Cocoa Naughty and put on the sides of my nose. Now for blush, I'm actually going to take the shades Supreme and Pinker and put as my blush today. And now I'm just going to spray my entire face just to let all of this powder that we just put sink into the skin. And to do that, I'm going to use this F-Boy repellent from Snob Life X Ming Lee. I've shown this in my videos. I don't know how many times. I rave about this all the time. I love it. It just makes my skin just look so refreshed and just so natural, as if we didn't do anything. Well, we did a lot, but it just makes it just looks effortlessly just beautiful. First, I'm going to use the shade Zamn to do as my inner corner highlight, and I'm also going to be using this as a added highlight today later on. I'm going to move in with some liner. This is from NYX. It's their matte liner. Just going to do a very thin line. These lashes are from Crystal Lashes in the style Angel Baby, for anyone that wants to know and is curious. They are so damn cute. Now I'm going to go in with some liner. This is from Morphe. It's actually an illuminating eyebrow stick, but I like to use it in my waterline. And then I'm just going to go in with those shades Pinker and Supreme and put on my lower lash line. So now I'm just going to finish with lips. I feel like this look is coming out. Oh, my nose ring. I feel like this look is coming out so pretty, you guys. It just looks really like girly, dainty, flirty. And it's like I use such little things to do this whole entire look. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I'm thinking to stick with something on the pink side. So I have this Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Chocolate Wasted. I'm gonna use this as my lip liner. Then I'm gonna go in with this Carity Lip Lock liquid lipstick in Fade Out. It's just like a very pretty light pink type of shade. I feel like it's gonna go so well with this entire look. And I'm just gonna finish it off with some gloss. This is from Fenty Beauty in the shade Fussy, and this is the Gloss Bomb. So makeup is all finished. I feel like it came out so pretty, so dainty, and just so flirty. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So let me go ahead and show you guys my outfit, and then I will close out this video. Being that I'm only going to my boyfriend's house, I just finished off the look with just putting on some earrings, putting on a necklace, putting on my outfit, and then I did put a little bit of the new Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm in the shade Cognac Candy. It is so beautiful. I just put that on my neck and my décolleté just to have a nice little shine, and that is pretty much it. Earrings and necklace are both from Pretty Little Thing. This 2-piece set is from Fashion Nova. And then obviously I did show you guys how to get this hair and makeup look. I didn't pair it with any shoes because, like I said, I am going to be sitting by the pool all day. Let me know how you guys like this whole little outfit slash makeup look. A super chill daytime date night with my boo thing, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.